Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we have a new question in this series. This is a JavaScript related series. In this series, we try to answer the famous JavaScript interviews question that you may face in your interview. If this sounds interesting for you, please feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video. And let's start into it. So today we have let's talk about. Okay, so today we have a new question that saying what is a temporal dead zone. So basically, the temporal dead zone is a behavior in JavaScript that occurs when declaring. Oh, okay. Declaring using a lit console. Okay. I don't know if they listen to the microphone or what, but they type it directly. Okay. So basically, the temporary dead zone is a behavior in JavaScript that occurs when declaring a variable within the lit and the const keywords, but not within the var. It's important to know it's not within the var. In ECMAScript 6, accessing a lit or a const variable before declaration within its scope causes a reference error. The time span, like for example, let's just create example and see how this works. So I'll create a function. I'll call it my func, and I will have here, and in this one I will have lit. I will call it my var, not my var. Lit. I'll call it count, which will be equal 10. However, if I try to cancel the login, the log count, I will get error. I will get here reference error. Yeah, reference error and cannot access count before initialization. And if you do the same with var, it will work like with no errors at all. Like var, let's call it count 2, which equals 10 also. Let's call it 10. And if you try to count the log count 2, the log count 2, you will get undefined because basically here the count of any variable with var doesn't have something called temporary dead zone. The temporary dead zone is only assigned with the variables being declared with lit or const. And basically, it's the temporary dead zone start from where is the function start until the line directly before the variable was being declared. So, in conclusion, the temporary dead zone in JavaScript refers to the period between the creation of a variable using lit or const and the actual declaration of the variable within the current scope. During this period, attempting to access or reference the variable results a reference error. The temporary dead zone exists to enforce the scoping rules of lit and const, ensuring that variables are declared before they are used, preventing potential bugs and issues related to variable hoisting. It's a concept that helps developers write more reliable and predictable code. So that's it for today's video, and I hope you like my content. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video, and see you in future problems.